open this up. Oh my goodness. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to do a doTERRA LRP unboxing for August. Again, this is like Christmas in a box every month, and just gonna unravel the value that I get to help maintain that wellness lifestyle, right? Because what we do to attain, we should do to maintain that wellness lifestyle, so we don't dip into that lower quality of life and then have to dig ourselves out. We want to, get up there and maintain and maybe have a little bit of, and then go up like that. Okay, so yeah, that's what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Let's go. So let's open this up here. So I got my scissors, and we're gonna open up our order. Boom. Shock. Whoa. Hello. That's shaking the camera. All right, so we're gonna open this up here. That was the sound that it makes when I open the box. Yeah. All right, so you got a lot of bubble wrap popper things. Sometimes I like to go pop. You know what I'm saying? All right, that's TMI probably, but okay. So now we're gonna open up and talk about the product. So if you watched my last month video, you know that I get the V-Shake, which is the vegan protein powder that I use in my green smoothies, and it has more of a vanilla flavor, so that's really good to supplement with regards to your wellness routine. Green smoothie challenge I talk more about, but it is a quart a day of green smoothies, and that will help with energy, digestion, and weight management, and this is a part of that. So a good source of fiber and protein, plant-based that is. I got the vegan lifelong vitality pack, and it has 3 supplements that help support me. So you got the vegan microplex VMZ, and so this is the whole food vitamin and mineral supplement to replace and support what you don't get in your food, because even if you eat healthy that doesn't always mean that you're getting everything your body needs to support daily bodily functions. So this is important. And then there's also the Alpha CRS Plus, which is, it helps support your mitochondrial function, which is like the little engines of your cells, and it helps basically give you a natural form of energy that's not caffeine or sugar related, which is really important as well. And I have videos that talk more about these on my channel, but I'm just kind of giving you an overview. And then there's the V Omega, which is the essential oil 3, 6, and 9 for the omega-3s, 6, and 9 that is, and helps support your brain, your joints, and your muscle functions. And there's 9 essential oils all up in here as well to help you out. And what I like to do is, I'm going to grab it here, but I put these in my AM and PM holders, and I put this in my pantry. Some people use bowls that they put out in their kitchen, but this helps make sure I know what I took today, so I still need to take the PM side for today. And I also put some other supplements in there. I put the probiotics, I put the all 3 that I mentioned here, and I put some enzymes typically, and then I supplement with more enzymes depending on how cooked my food is as well. But anyways, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna talk about more stuff I gotta find a place to put all this. All right, yeah, a lot of this is like finding a spot to put it. Everything has a place, and everything should be in its place. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna continue here. What else did I get? Got the TerraZyme. So there's 10 different enzymes that break down your protein, fats, carbs, sugars, fiber, and that helps support your digestion. Very important whenever you eat cooked foods. You want 1 of these for 1/3 of a cooked meal. You want 2 of these if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and you want 3 of these if your meal is completely cooked. This is one of the things that is severely lacking in the standard American diet, which is digestive enzymes. So this helps make sure that your intestines, your pancreas, your liver, your stomach, and your mouth produces digestive enzymes called amylase, but make sure that those aren't being taxed more heavily than they should. You don't want to pay more taxes in real life. This helps make sure that your body isn't taxed any more than it should be as well. All right, so let's talk about the PB Assist. These are the probiotics. Supports a healthy digestion through the use of prebiotics, which feeds the probiotics, and this supports a healthy microbiome, digestive function, and really supports your immune system, because the vast majority of your immune system is in your small intestines. So this is kind of, it's kind of weird to say, hey, this supports your immune system, but it does. You want the ratio of good guys to bad guys to be 10 to 1, and this is helping the good guys. All right, so let's continue here with some other products that I've got here. All right, so lots of, I love the way this sounds. Okay, anyways, sometimes you get a little excited. and awkward at the same time. All right, so we have lavender. All right, lavender is good because it helps support calmness, relaxation, great in diffuser. I actually use this at night. Awesomeness. And it's also replacing some of my inventory that I used up. Melaleuca or tea tree oil helps support your skin. There's lots of benefits to this I talk about in my specific video on my YouTube channel as well. And then we have some other oils here. Wild orange, oh yeah, happiness in a bottle, supports your detox as well as skin. I use this as part of my skin regimen as well. I use lavender and melaleuca too. I have a video on that. Make sure to check that out. We also have lemon here. That is good. I use this with my apple cider vinegar waters, and very good for supporting your liver, your kidneys, gallbladder, a lot of organs. There's a lot of stuff in the air when you walk outside that this is really going to help you a lot with, because there's a lot of toxins in the air, a lot of car muffler fumes, secondhand smoke. I mean, the list goes on. And not to mention, I use a lot of this and as well as the wild orange to clean my hands. So when I'm at public bathrooms or other stuff, I use this because it softens my hands, it cleans my hands, and it has an aromatherapy experience. And your hand has reflexology on as well, so you're helping different organs and body systems. So lots of benefits. Oh my goodness, love this. Okay, I could talk forever about that one. I feel like I really could. All right, anyways, we have On Guard here. This is the product of the month. So this is what I got for free because my order was over 125 point value. It's a smaller 5 ml bottle, but On Guard is the protective blend, and this is really what you want diffusing when there's people around you that are under the weather, or if you go on an airport, or if you go on a public bus, or even just a road trip. You want this, and I actually put a drop of this on my toothpaste every morning, and it's like a mouthwash combined with a toothpaste because I use On Guard toothpaste. Amazing experience. It makes my mouth all tingly and good and clean feeling, and yeah, there's a lot of good oils in here that support your immune system primarily. This is the immune system support oil. Love it. And it's definitely got more powerful punch than the lemon oil and the wild orange, but it's good. All right, so what's this stuff here? Okay, so it gives you some specials. It gives you, a little recap of the order there. I did get some healthy can be simple because I'm sharing the oils as well, and it's important for me to kind of have these little guides and resources for people to learn as I give them samples. So I did order a couple of these, and as I share with my builders and other folks that join my team, I also have that. Oh, speaking of toothpaste, I was running out. So before I run out, usually when I get because pretend this is full, when it starts to get here and I can feel it, then I'll usually order another one. So this usually lasts me maybe 2 or 3 months. And when I'm at month 2 or getting close, because I don't like to run out of toothpaste because then I have to start using the sample size, which isn't fun. But I use this and a drop of this on my electric toothbrush. So a little pea-sized amount of this and a drop of this On Guard oil really is powerful. It's awesome. Okay. Let's keep going here. I got some more oils. You can see this is a larger order this month as well because I had to replace some stuff that I sold as well as what I ran out from using myself. We have more lemon, so I got a double lemon because I use probably this, one of the most. But clary sage, ran out of that. Sold that to somebody as well. You can check that out in my other video. I keep all this bubble wrap too because sometimes I ship samples out and it's nice to have a little protective barrier. And then, dun dun dun, I have the protecting shampoo. And before you say, hold on, Lance, you don't got no hair, let me tell you how I use this. Okay, calm down. All right, it's got, see now, it's got a little plastic on it. All right, so it's got this on it. All right, open this up. Oh. All right, so how I order this in particular is, oops. Got stuff falling here. First world problems. All right, anyways, we have the shampoo here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so how this works, oh, there we go. Okay, so you're like, what do you use it for, Lance? I use it as a body wash, okay? Because, if you think about shampoo, how it washes your hair, what's under the hair? Skin, scalp, yeah. And that's basically how I use this. And it has a nice bubbly, sudsy type of, feel to it. And it comes in the economy size, so I save even more over getting the smaller size shampoo. This is the 32 ounce fluid ounce, over the liter size, and it's great. It has a nice smell. It's got wild orange and lime essential oil in it, and mine is getting, it's right here on my actual one in my shower, and so I order my products based on how low they're getting or if I run out. And that, if I run out, it's not a big deal if I have a backup, because I know like I use some oils more than others, especially lemon. But anyways, that's ready to go. And then lastly, I have some live guides, because ever since doTERRA bought out Share Success, which is the company that basically used to produce these, it's great. They got great training resources, and I use this whenever folks buy a kit, and then we just have a conversation either over the phone. This is more for like in-person stuff, or when I'm shipping these out to my builders because they need some more support with sharing with others. But this is the guide to help develop a wellness lifestyle, primarily for wholesale customers, but wellness advocates can obviously benefit from it as well. But this is really the, hey, I just bought a kit. How do I live out a wellness lifestyle? How do I place a doTERRA LRP order? How do I, maximize my membership and use the oils? This is an amazing handout. I love it so much, and they usually update it every year, and it's great. It's a great resource. I love how doTERRA and all the resources are focused on education, and you can see a lot more other additional resources. And if somebody wants to share the oils, if somebody wants to build a business, and there's also another one called a launch guide. So there's so much information. It just really comes down to, are you willing to execute and put in the work? Really is what it comes down to, that sweat equity. Or maybe you don't sweat, but you just put in that elbow grease without the grease and elbows. Okay, anyways, well, that concludes it. Thanks for watching. As you can see, my doTERRA LRP order is a box full of amazingness, and the doTERRA LRP stands for the Loyalty Rewards Program, and it's like a frequent flyer program or hotel rewards program where the more oils you buy, the more free stuff you get basically, and it builds up over time. I do have a number of videos that talk about that in more detail. If you want to go check those out, you can just go to my channel on YouTube and then just type in like doTERRA LRP, and then there'll be some videos that pop up, you know what I'm saying? Alright, well that concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below, or go to my YouTube channel, the main part, and then go to like the search bar for my channel, and then type in what you want, and then you're gonna find it. This place is a mess. What do I do? Ah! I'm gonna clean it up, don't worry, it's gonna look a lot better than this.